back. So I pressed all of these. The half one, the one that says not to spin. But does that mean you put it in if you don't want to spin? Or that you... I don't know. And then whatever that is. Okay, now I'm going to try the time, and I don't think I'm going to use P, because even I know that's not a number. And so it's only going forward. Let's see. Okay, 1. You see, 1 and 2 are very close, and then there's big gaps. So I'll put it at number... Should I do P? Should I be brave? I'll do P. Okay. Now to start it. No. Oh, it's locked. No. Maybe P means not. Don't touch it. So, gotta wait. No. There. Now I'm gonna close it. I'll be talking to you later.